Hello everybody! Filtration is essential to guarantee the performance and the lifetime of hydraulic circuits. Different types of filters exist. The suction filter can be mounted on the pump suction line in order to protect the pump from big particles. A filter can be installed just after the pump on the pressure line to protect components which are sensitive to pollution. It's called pressure or inline filter. The most common filter is the return line filter. It will collect all the pollution coming from the circuit. Another type of filter is the breather, also named air inlet filter. It will prevent dust, pollution as moisture vapor from entering the tank during intake and outflow flow. For a big capacity tank, it is possible to install an offline filter, used to name it bypass filter. This system will provide a continuous filtration to guarantee the cleanliness of the system by removing microparticles and water contamination. A filter is sized depending on the oil flow, the operating pressure, the thickness, and its efficiency. Because pollution is the cause of 80% of the breakdown, the choice of a filter is a major concern when designing an hydraulic system. It's also important to keep the same filter quality during the lifetime and maintenance interval, as some adaptable filters in the market, equal in dimension, have a poor filtration quality.